scrap cables and wires, copper wires, and aluminum wires can be shredded with a Yuanda twin shaft shredder to obtain pure copper wires or copper particles through a cable recycling production line. Scrap copper is a precious metal that can be recycled and reused. In cables, wires, electronic products, and motherboards, these waste copper wires are usually recycled with wire shredder equipment to separate and recycle plastic and copper, and the recycled copper particles are fine and uniform. The double shaft shredder equipment used in waste cable and wire shredder equipment. The double shaft shredder equipment can well recycle copper products in processing operations. Cable and wire shredder equipment adopts dry crushing and smashing to make raw materials such as wires, cables or circuit boards into a mixture of metal and resin fiber powder, and then separate metal and resin and other non-metals through a high-voltage electrostatic separator. In order to prevent dust pollution during processing, the appearance of wire and tire shredders is usually various, and each manufacturer has its own appearance design. However, according to actual production needs and specific shredding requirements, tire shredders, the internal knife rollers of the crusher, are basically divided into 4 types, namely, single shaft knife roller, double shaft knife roller, 4 shaft knife roller, and coarse crushing knife roller. Therefore, we can divide the tire shredder into 4 categories: single shaft tire shredder, double shaft tire shredder, 4 shaft tire shredder, and rough tire shredder. The shredding equipment also uses a self-designed dust removal device, cyclone dust removal, bag dust removal, and air purifier dust removal, which effectively solves the problem of dust pollution. The multifunctional shredder is a type of mechanical equipment used to shred waste materials. The shredded materials include circuit boards, wires, cables, plastics, rubber, metals, etc. So it can also be called a circuit board shredder or wire and cable shredder. The purpose is to make it easier for us to process and reprocess waste materials. The automatic power distribution cabinet is equipped with functions of starting, forward rotation, reverse rotation, and overload automatic reverse rotation to prevent the motor from burning out due to overload operation. The box body is formed by casting steel parts at one time, without cracking of the box body. Strong power, great shredding force, high output and no noise. The structure is reasonable, and there will be no choking or jamming. The internal blade can be adjusted according to the user's requirements for the quality and size of the finished product. Features of shredder: 1. Heavy movable knife, high crushing efficiency. Both movable knife and fixed knife are cast with alloy steel, which is firm and has a long service life. 2. The iron frame has thick plates, can resist high torque, and is very strong. 3. Easy to adjust, low maintenance cost, economical and durable. 4. The unit output is the theoretically calculated throughput, and the specific use should be based on the actual density.